Okay, so we're looking at station 0 number line setup. Now what we're doing for the number line setup is here's your poster paper that you're given. So let me draw a quick outline of your poster paper. It should be a long strip of white paper. Now on this poster paper, you're going to first write everyone's name at your group. So your whole group, write your name. Make sure it's very small because that's not the main reason we're doing this, is for your name. So you're going to write your name here, and then you're going to write your number line. Now your number line is going to look a little bit different, so make sure it's at the top because we're going to be pasting a lot down here, so we need a lot of room. So we have 0, 1, and -1 here. So we don't put any more numbers here because what we're dealing with now are rational numbers. A rational number is A over B, where B does not equal 0. So anything that you could put in a fraction. So very simply put, a rational number is a fraction. So now, on this -1, 0, 1, you will be given a piece of paper next. So, pause. Okay, so your piece of paper will be this right here. That's what it will look like. And all you are going to do here is cut out all of your numbers. So we need one person to make the number line so far, one person to cut. So you are going to cut each one of these like so. And then these little slips of paper you will paste on the number line. So let's look at -1 over 2. -1 over 2. Okay, so we are looking at -1 over 2. Now, this would be your piece of paper that you have cut out, and you're just going to paste it where you think that would be. So you don't want to just put it somewhere like this. This would be the wrong answer because it has to be in the middle between 0 and -1. So we're going to put it in the middle between 0 and -1. So estimate it, it should be right about here. So you would paste this part down. Okay. To make it look nice, you can draw an arrow about where it's going to go. So that way it's a point, so it's not this whole block here. So you can draw an arrow. Now if you go to something else, like say I gave you -4 over 8. Say you had this. It would go in the same spot, right?
Yeah.
So we want to put -4 over 8 here. Now once you have things that are equivalent fractions, we learned about that yesterday. Once you have things that are equivalent fractions, we want to notate that. So we're going to use the highlighter that you have, and you're going to pick a highlight color and notate the ones that are equivalent fractions. Okay? So in station 0, what you are focused on is making this number line. In station 1A, so right here, in station 1A, what you are focused on is pasting where they go appropriately. In station 1B, 1A, this other paper, is the same thing but positive numbers. And in station 1B, what you are focused on is pasting these fractions, and so forth. Okay? But what we want to do first is go ahead and make that number line as pictured here. Do that now.